Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm finally making the mochi that I promised in my previous video. Most of the main ingredients were sent to me by A-mart, that being the glutinous rice flour as well as the red bean paste. Now if you want to purchase any of these products, I will link the store down below in the description, and let's just get straight into this. I got my recipe from TikTok. There's this lady called Audrey Saurus, and she makes a bunch of mochi videos. I'm starting off by measuring approximately 100 grams of the glutinous rice flour, and I'm just adding that to a bowl. I kind of eyeballed it. Then I'm measuring out 50 grams of sugar, approximately half the amount of flour. Just add that to the glutinous rice flour. Now the recipe called for 180 ml of water, but that looked like a suspicious amount, so I only added in half of that amount of water, and I started to stir that glutinous rice flour with the sugar, and you really want to stir it until it becomes kind of milky, and you don't want any white lumps left behind. If you think it's going to dissolve later on, I promise you it's not, because that's what I thought. And I added in a bit of food coloring, a bit of pink, just the normal Robinson's food coloring. Go ahead, give that a stir. Now it looks like a starry stumpy. You want to pop that mixture into the microwave for 1 minute. Take it out, give it a stir. It starts to become a little bit gelatinous. Put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. Take it out, give it a stir. Then you want to put it back in the microwave, but for 30 seconds. Take it out, give it a stir, and back in the microwave for the final 30 seconds. Give that a stir, and at this point it should be really hot, so I let it cool down before I did anything else with this mochi. I'm using this cornstarch to dust the tray that I'll be working on and just coat this mochi so it's not as sticky. I'm just scooping it out and plopping it down on that cornstarch. Now, this is where things go downhill. Whoa! Now this mochi was extremely sticky, eh? Looking back at this video, it's like I'm playing with slime. That's how sticky it was. Just look at my poor fingers. But I tried coating it with that cornstarch, and I'm cutting it with a blunt knife. I'm trying to section this mochi off, and it was just a struggle. It really was a struggle. It was so sticky. I knew from this moment that something went wrong. Something went wrong somewhere. But I carried on. Now this is the red bean paste that I'm using as a filling. I also prepared some cookies and cream by whisking together cream, sugar, and crumbed biscuits. Psych! It's a Oreo McFlurry that I ordered on Uber Eats. Yeah, what did you expect? Just squeeze out some of that red bean paste and try to enclose it with the mochi and just pinch it shut. Yeah, hey, I tried doing it with the soft serve McFlurry and it just wasn't working. It was not working at all. It was a terrible idea. The soft serve is very slippery. So it just slipped out and messed the board and my fingers, and I disposed of it. But my mama didn't raise a quitter and I tried again. I just didn't learn my lesson, eh? Not at all. I really thought I was getting somewhere with this one. Like, look how promising I started off. And then it started leaking out through the sides. So I put that in the freezer quickly and I just carried on with the red bean paste mochis. And I just put that on a separate plate and it was ready to serve. I tried, guys. I really tried. I promise you I tried. I watched so many tutorials. I was so mentally prepared for this. But, yeah. Okay, guys. That was rough. It's the only word to describe how that was, hey? After all of that effort, and I'm left with this. 3 balls of gloop. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to taste this, hey? It does not look appealing. I definitely did something wrong. I don't know, I either used too much water or too little flour, or maybe I didn't microwave it long enough. Okay, I really don't want to taste this. It smells like the Yuki and Love mochi. I don't even want to use my fingers to touch this. That's why I'm using the chopsticks. There, yeah. Mochi should not do that. I don't even, like, what am I gonna, how, oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just do this. Oh. You see, the thing is, it doesn't taste bad. It's just that the texture is really slimy. The red bean paste is kind of tasty in here though. It smells legit and it kind of has that Yuki and Love mochi taste. I'm not gonna lie, like it's there. It's just that the consistency is messed up and I used way too little sugar. Okay, I'll take one more bite. I still have that one with the McFlurry in the fridge. I don't even know what happened to that. Let's just see what that looks like. Nah, this one is dead, like R.I.P. Look at it. Nah, man. I'm not no, I am not putting this in my mouth. Oh, no. No. Ugh, that sucks. I guess you win some, you lose some. On the bright side, I just have a whole McFlurry I can cleanse my palate with. I know you guys really wanted to see me do this because you guys were tagging me in so many recipes, and I promised you I watched all of the recipes and I was so excited to make this, and I was making it and I was even excited, and then somewhere things just started to go downhill. And I promise you, like, I really followed that recipe, kind of. But anyway, I hope you got some enjoyment out of that, at least. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!